So first thing, like okay, this is the new thing, my tire is punctured. Okay, but I know how to make it and I can show you also. It's gonna be very easy. Okay, so just take any bottle, put in a soap, shampoo, anything, and little bit of water, and just shake it to make a foam, and just apply on your tire. You will find out like where the puncture is actually. Okay, come closer. So you can see over here the puncture is. Like there's nothing over here. I think some stone or might have like punctured it, but there's nothing over here. So that we can just remove it, just like normal pinch out. So what I'm gonna do is like, first thing with this tool, I'm gonna make a hole properly so that the puncture, like whatever we're gonna apply, so that it can go easily. Okay, now second thing what you'll have to do is like just put this in this. Okay, like over here you just have to like insert it from here and have to apply this lotion what it comes on this. It works as a glue, so like you do not need to worry much. Okay, so first thing what I'll have to do is most like you have to pump the air into the tire. If you have not done that, puncture won't work. Okay. So over here which we have used before, now I'm gonna insert this. It requires a lot of pressure. See, so somehow I managed to put it inside. After when it goes inside this, when it this much, okay, just remove this out. Okay, that's it. The puncture is like all done. Okay, now to check if it is like that, okay, same thing, soap water, put it on. Do you see any bubbles are coming out? No, right? So that means a puncture is successful. See, from here also nothing. And with the knife or anything you can just cut this out, and if it doesn't even cut out while running the tire, it automatically gets burn out. So nothing is there. So this is the easiest way how you can repair your own puncture. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in another one with a good video. So till then, see you.